What's happening out there, friends of Beyond the Fly? I do hope that you all are holding up well during this time as we continue through the mess that is COVID-19. Out getting some much needed fly fishing therapy. Also started 2020 off with a goal that I thought was very, very achievable. And that was to be able to catch fish in every month of the year. So starting in January 2020. So that was the goal, and I do believe that we may make that happen. So we've got fish in the basket for January, February, March. It's April right now, and hoping to put some fish in the basket today. So just going to get a rig tied up here. I was going to bring the Euro nymphing rig out, but the wind is unreal. So expecting 15 to 20 mile an hour gusts all day. It is post a storm front. You can hear the wind right now. But yeah, we're post a storm front that came in, dropped some snow on the ground last night, rain down in the valley, and temperatures really cooled off. So I'm curious to see how the fish respond today. That's going to make it unique in itself. We're going to be within a 24-hour post a storm front, and so there's definitely that to contend with. It's cold. We're not even up to 40 degrees yet, and then we got the wind. So we got a lot of challenges today. The flows have bumped up here on the river that I'm on today, which is nice. They came up, so they're letting a little bit more water upstream out of the lake, so that's pretty cool. So that ought to help the bugs get floating and moving around. Other than that, my friends, gear up for another Beyond the Fly episode. Let's get out, sling some line, take care of ourselves mentally, physically. We got to be outside. It's time to get moving. It's time to get America back to work. It's time to get out, camp, hunt, fish, do all that good stuff, my friends. It's time to live life, plain and simple. That's all there is to it. That's all I got to say. Stand by. We're going to get rigged up. We're going to hit the water. Better one. That's a nice one there. Right by that rock. I love that feeling, my friends. Come here, Bubba. Nice brown. Nice. Crocodile roll. So one of the pointers that I can give you for today and the challenges of what we're dealing with is, as you can hear in the background, is the wind. So we're expecting 15 to 20 mile an hour winds today, and so that's going to make it really challenging to get a good drift. But not only the drift, just to get a forward cast to get upstream to get our drift started. So timing is going to be everything. I kind of wait for these gusts to subside, watch the trees, watch the top of the water, and then once I feel like I've got a kind of timed out and I've got a chance, you can water load, get your line out on the water, and do your best to try to get a drift that is less the wind that is pulling on your line, which it can be quite difficult. So just gotta have lots of patience. Use rocks, use covers, use trees, anything like that, just to help, because the wind will speed up your drift and your indicator. We do not want that. So you come off there. This is gonna be fun. Don't want to lose him. I can't see how deep that hole is there. Oh, that's a beautiful fish there. Fantastic. Nice, brother. Hell yeah. Let me see. Dang. That's a beauty there, my friends. But nice. Mine is just brutal. It's totally coming the wrong way. The old swing. Come here, little guy. Dude, he took it. He took my Pat's rubber leg. That is so sweet. Just tied that up. Oh, that is cool. Okay, come here, buddy. Let's get you back in the water, Bubba. That is awesome. Okay. See you, mister. Thanks, brother. It's unbelievable. So the water's treating us extremely well today. The wind is tired already, but that's okay. It's been worth it, putting lots of fish in the basket, so that's really fun. Just a reminder, you guys, it's spring. Right now all the ticks are hatching, making babies. Just remember to do a tick check, especially for you warmer parts of the world where everything's turning green. Where it starts turning green, there's ticks. So just be out and enjoy, have a lot of fun. End of the day, check yourself, your kids, your dogs. Just make sure you do your tick check. Get them little bastards off of you. Stay healthy so you can keep doing what you do out there, having fun, enjoying Mother Nature. There's my public service announcement from Beyond the Fly. Ain't nobody want Lyme disease. We don't got no time for that shit. We got to be out doing other things outdoors. Let's go get our fishing on. Okay, I'll see you later there, beautiful. Man, wow, that's a nice fish. Fantastic. They are coming out of winter hibernation. They're still a little lean, which is to be expected. That's one. That one had lots of hope. Oh, he's a squirrel, he's a fighter. Oh, he's pissed. Oh, I'm so mad. I don't know what I just ate, but why is it fighting back? What kind of freaking midge was that? Pretty sure he's telling people, help! Help me! Help me! Little guy. Little guy, but he's cool. He's cool. He's cool. He's cool. We're all about nailing them in the mouth today, right in the lip. Another lip. Oh, look at the orange spots on that guy. Dude, and you ate that too? I'm that slow that you got two of them. Really? How is that possible, fish? Young master? Dude, it did. It got you right in the beak. Oh man, did you get boned? Come here. Come here, fool.
You're just. Why did you do it? Get my hands wet here and help you out there, boy. Man, it went all the way through. You got a cavity. See how easy that is? When you just hold, look at the spots on you, Tangle Dangle. Oh, you're so fun, so pretty. Bye-bye. Goodbye, friend. Thank you.
Well, my friends, we're going to put a close to this day, and I'm going to say it was a darn good one. I hope that you would all agree. Moved a lot of fish, especially in the conditions that we were dealing with today. The wind, the cold at first, post a nice spring snow/rainstorm, so that feels pretty good. The fish were super active coming out of their winter slumber, so they're fattening up. There are so many bugs in the water. It's truly unbelievable. So very blessed to have this time on the water and have you all along with me. Drop a comment, leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and thanks for joining me in another edition of Beyond the Fly. You guys all stay safe, take care of each other, be kind. We will get through this together. Catch you in the next episode of Beyond the Fly.